Hi, my name is Blake Ellison and I'm a student at Grand Valley State University. Today we're looking at a game called What Are the Odds, which uses 2 regular dice and a special deck of cards to explore probability. This game can introduce students to Common Core standards like S.SP.C.5 through 8, as well as HSS ID A.4, which are probability and statistics standards. I think this game also can be applied to most age groups since its content can be shaped through the lesson that you teach after. So let's talk about gameplay. This game works best with 2 to 4 players. I use 5 cards per player, so if I'm playing with 4 players, I'll use 20 cards in the deck. First thing we do is lay 3 cards face up. And the first player now has an opportunity to choose one of these cards to roll for. Some important things to know before you choose is the first number on the card is the roll requirement. So for this 3 or 11 card, I would need to roll 2 dice whose sum is 3 or 11 in 3 tries. For this card, their sum would have to be greater than 10 in 2 tries. So I'll do an example turn now, and I'll try to get the 5 or 9 card. So my first roll, I get an 8, and my second roll, I get a 6. So I did not get the card, but if I had, I would take it and replace it with the next card in the deck, and I could go again because I had got the 5 or 9 card. If I didn't get it, you just pass the dice and it's the next person's turn. This goes on until one player has collected 6 cards. They've won the game at that point and the game is over. So this game can be used in a ton of ways, but I prefer to use it at the start of the unit because it gives students a chance to explore probability through a fun and fast-paced activity. And once they've had that chance to explore it, then we can look at applications, terminology, and actual methods of calculating the probability. So students could, in a lesson after the game, you could say, okay, what is the probability that you will roll a 5 or a 9 with 2 dice? And once they do that, say, what is that same probability in 2 tries or 3 tries? And all of these different cards can turn into a problem. And it should also be noted that this game is open, so anyone who plays it should feel that they can make new cards and add and build their own deck to suit their own needs. And yeah, make it work for you. So that is What Are the Odds? Thank you for listening. I appreciate it. I hope you get great use out of it, and I hope you have a great day. That's it. Take care.